Hi guys, this is an Archbishop Mini Thomas's handkerchief Kiddie ride. Yeah, let's hope this was with a 50p. Because I've got 50p here, by the way. Let's hope this takes it. Yes. Yeah, it probably takes 50p and £1 coins only. For some reason. He wanted with 50p, thankfully. He's still mute. He's in a hotel. We have an Archbishop in 1994. 1995 actually. And that's from the Brit Thomas Limited. And yes. He runs place still works, by the way. Yeah, it's muted sadly. Still. Of course. He just wants a little bit shaky. It probably doesn't take 10 or 20p apparently. Sadly enough. Yeah, the light still works. It flashes quite well. Yeah, apart from that, everything works fine. You know, Thomas buttons are flashing sadly. Yeah, that was it. And that was the Archbishop Mini Thomas's handkerchief Kiddie ride, which is still mute.